Hey there, delightful makers. So I am working on the Butterfly Mini Collage, and it is a little bit different from other collage projects that I have created in that I have the butterfly, but then I also have all these little decorative elements on the butterfly that will go on top. So I wanted to just quickly show how you can do that. So what I have done is I have made my butterfly with the pattern underneath, like you just saw, it was underneath here. And then I pressed the butterfly and it is now in one piece that I can lift up and just put off to the side. Now I can come along and continue to make these top pieces, like you can see I have a couple of them here, and trace these and make them, and then I can place them on top of the butterfly where they go. Now I can also, when I have finished tracing and cutting out all these little top pieces, I can put this on a light box so that I can see through my fabric a little bit and really use the pattern to place, or I can just kind of eyeball where I think they will go. I can also use the fabric instead of completely following the pattern. Like this fabric had these little circles already, and so I could just use those little circles instead of tracing circles, and those little circles are going to go in this spot here. And I still have to make these little guys. I can't pick a color that I like and these, but I wanted to just show that quickly, how you can make the butterfly first, press it into one piece so it will lift really easily, and then leaving your paper underneath your mat, draw all of your extra little shapes and then put those on top. All right, so I have finished my little butterfly, and I decided to not do the pattern shapes in the little edges of the wings here, but I did put these little circles here, and then I also found these little circles and I put them here in the center to kind of break up those stripes a little bit. The fabrics that I used are Chalk Texture by Benartex, and they just have these really bright and vibrant colors that really shine. They are a blender. They have a little bit of texture to them. So they're really pretty. They're quickly becoming one of my favorite fabrics to work with. And then the stripes and the dots are all from Nature Unfiltered by Benartex. They're from Lisa Swinson Rubel. And so all of the fabrics are Benartex. One thing that I want to show you with the mini collage is how versatile it can be. So you can obviously turn it into something that is a mini quilt that you hang, or you can create several blocks for a quilt. But one fun thing is, because the Steam-A-Seam 2 is permanent once it's steamed, it's really fun to add to clothing. So I made a simple butterfly. So this is the butterfly pattern, and I just did the wings and the body, and then I just added some flowers. And this butterfly, it would look really cute on a sweatshirt. So that's what I have here. And all you would have to do is place it on the sweatshirt and then steam it really, really well. And that will hold it in place. You don't need to add any stitching or anything. If you find over time as you wash it that it starts coming loose, you just steam it again. But usually putting it in the washer and dryer steams it and helps hold that Steam-A-Seam in place. I've done several sweatshirts this way and they have held up really, really well. So this is a really fun way to use your collage projects, your little collage minis. You can put them on sweatshirts. I also have a pair of jeans. I feel like this could be fun if you put them like by the pocket or on the leg of the jean. So that could also be really fun. Another option for your mini collage is to create a reusable gift bag. So I have this little drawstring bag. It came with some cotton sheets that I had ordered, and it's like just this lovely, lovely cotton. And I didn't want to just throw it away, but I also don't need a bag that says packed. So my butterfly can easily go right here, and now I have a reusable gift bag. So I can put gifts in it, tie the drawstring, give people gifts and presents, and it has this really pretty little butterfly. By not putting birthday or anything on it, I can use it for a variety of gifts. I can give this to a friend, they can pass it on, and they can give it to a friend, and it's just going to be a beautiful little gift bag that continues to be used. So that's another idea to do with your mini collages. I hope this has inspired you. Now go make something beautiful.